Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to sell on Etsy. First, you'll want to set up your free Canva account, which gives you access to a wide range of design tools. Next, familiarize yourself with Etsy's specific image requirements, such as recommended dimensions for listing photos, which are typically 2000 by 2000 pixels for square images. This ensures your designs look professional and appealing to potential buyers. Now, let's dive into designing your actual products. Canva is perfect for creating digital items such as printable art, planners, or social media templates. Explore Canva's vast library of over 100 million stock photos, graphics, and fonts to make your creations stand out. Remember to maintain a consistent brand aesthetic across all your designs, ensuring they are unique and visually appealing to attract customers. Beyond product design, Canva helps you create stunning listing mockups. Use mockups to showcase your digital products realistically, making them more tangible for buyers. You can also design engaging social media posts and stories to promote your Etsy shop across various platforms. Consider creating a brand kit in Canva, including your logo, colors, and fonts, to maintain a cohesive and professional online presence. Finally, let's talk about optimizing and selling your creations on Etsy. Always export your finished designs in high-resolution formats, like PNG or JPG, to ensure clarity. When listing, craft compelling product titles and descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Leverage Etsy's built-in search engine optimization tools by using relevant keywords to help potential customers easily discover your unique products and boost your sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.